I'm going to show you how to use accessibility features on your Android. What are things that can have access to your phone? So let's dive in. You go to your settings and you come here to privacy. And you can see this is accessibility usage. So click on it, and this is it. This is what you can see the screen up. You can just click on settings and you can see this is what you can do to translate your accessibility features. Let's go back here now. Click on accessibility usage, click on OK. So you need to see what apps is consuming your phone. That is how you access your what I think that can access your service. That can fill your screen, your actions, your input, you perform actions and control your display. So that's what accessibility is all just all about. So just don't worry about it. Just come here. You can permission manager. You can still control your data. The hub that has access to your data. You can come here and on and off the data. You can see this is it. So it's all about your accessibility features. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.